YCharts Scenario Builder is a great way to visualize the impacts of contributions and withdrawals to any investment. Here we're looking at T-Mobile versus the S&P 500 over the last 15 years and with an initial investment of $10,000. But what if we contributed more than that to T-Mobile in this time frame? Well, with Scenarios Builder, we can find out the effects. To get started, just click Add a Scenario and input a name followed by whether it's a withdrawal or contribution. You can also select whether to contribute a percentage of the initial investment or a fixed value. In this case, we'll say $500 each month. You can input the date of that first contribution followed by the date of the last. And with one click and a couple seconds later, we'll have a revised chart showing the impacts of those contributions on T-Mobile and the S&P 500. You can also click quarterly or annual to show, in this case, the annual net contributions for that investment. The same ease of use applies to withdrawals as well. If we want to see the impacts of withdrawing from the T-Mobile investment, we can simply go here to our existing scenario and edit the end date of which we stop contributing, click update there. And for withdrawals, let's go ahead and say we want to withdraw 10% of that investment each year in this 5-year period. We can go ahead and click add to that. And once again, in just a couple seconds, we'll show the effects of withdrawing 10% each year from T-Mobile and what you would be left with at the end of the period, as well as selecting annual to see the annual effects of net contributions and withdrawals. The YCharts Scenario Builder is a very intuitive tool to show the impacts of withdrawals and contributions for any investment and can all be done in just a matter of clicks.